Hi there, this is an SEO review of the Hazel Lane website. So the SEO score is 60 out of 100, which is pretty good. The meta title, meta description are great, are defined. Meta title is a little bit too long, so definitely stick to up to 60, 65 characters, otherwise will be cut off in the search results, but the meta description is great. It would be even better to add call to action to prompt people to click. There are no H tags apart from H2 on the homepage, so make sure to add more content and define the H tag. So these are the heading tags. Like you've got new arrivals, so this is the H2, but make sure to add H1, H2, H3, and all in order and so on. When it comes to the keyword consistency, the most repeated words are expand, collapse, price. So it will be best to rank for your target keywords here. So definitely I would recommend working on the content quality. The other elements. Okay, so you've got H1 tag. Apparently, according to this tool, yeah, keyword consistency, as I mentioned, definitely add more SEO friendly content. Image alt tags, you've got all in order, so that's good. You have got no broken links. Your URLs are SEO friendly. Consider also adding Google Analytics. It will help you understand where your traffic is coming from, how people view your website, how long people stay on the website. So that's really valuable insight. And you've got no broken links. Your website is mobile friendly and it also loads super fast, so under 1 second. So that's definitely technical SEO, I would say, is all in order. But if you add Google Analytics, definitely it will help me to view the bounce rate, the dwell time as well. So how long people stay on your website, whether they click on other pages. That definitely also impacts how you rank in Google, impacts SEO. So I hope you found this review useful, and it was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Thank you so much. Bye bye.